Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Draftsight tutorial how to align objects. So as example I will create rectangle and I will create again at this point. Now if you want to align this object, you can use the align command, type align, press enter, and I will select this object, press enter again. I will click from this point into here. So we align with 1 point and you can press enter to apply. The next I will align with the 2 point. You can tap align, press enter again, and I will click these objects, enter, click from this point into here, and click from this point into this point. You can press enter to apply. Okay, it will be aligned with the 2 point. You also can align with scale, like example, I will type align again, press enter, select this object, enter again, and I will click from this point into the top here, the second from this point into here. Press enter, and then you can type yes to align with scale, you can enter again. Okay, that's it for basic Draftsight tutorial, how to align objects. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.